morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to TechSathi. If you didn't check out our previous reel, together we unboxed the MCHOSE X75 mechanical keyboard. On today's video, we're going to go into more depth and find out what this is. Is this going to be worth the investment? So this keyboard is from MCHOSE, which is a very popular brand in the domestic market of China, and it also specializes in many other keyboards, other wireless mouses, laptop stands, and many more. If you want to find more information regarding this company, check out the website. So, what are the promises MCHOSE have made for us? This is one of the high-quality mechanical keyboards. So watch until the end to find out if this mechanic keyboard right here is going to be worth the investment. Now we're going to move on to the unboxing part, which I've already done, but let's do it again for this video. In addition with this beautiful keyboard, we've got this manual here, and we've got about the keyboard in Chinese, which I don't know, but with the help of Google Translate, I'm sure you'll be able to understand this. But here's the volume button, USB connectivity, the port connectivity, and everything regarding this. And on the back side, we've got 3 types of connectivity, and you can set up your Android, Windows, or Mac. You can also change the lighting settings as given in this manual here and everything. And there's also a QR scan so that you can scan to their website. And so I have 3 words to describe this keyboard: aesthetic, beautiful, and chic. When I took a look at this keyboard, I was so attracted to it, almost like my heart fluttered. And if you're not, really pulled, if you're not gravitated into a keyboard, then will you be able to work with it for the long term? So that is the first look of this MCHOSE X75 keyboard. Now we're going to move on to the design and the connectivity. I am an information management student. I have to do lots of assignments, lots of coding. So for this, you can probably tell with my hand placement if I'm feeling comfortable while, typing with this keyboard or not. You know what? I'm actually a dancer as well. So for me, flexibility, how I move my body is important. Similarly, with this keyboard, I need to make sure that my fingers are dancing. With whatever the technology, maybe the preloop stabilizers and the anti-ghosting technology in this keyboard, it makes my fingers almost dance in this keyboard. Now let's talk connectivity. Do you expect yourself to sit on your desktop screen like this 24/7? No, impossible. That is why it is important for a mechanical keyboard to have different levels of connectivity. So in this keyboard, I found that there are 3 levels of connectivity, and together we're going to find out and test it right now. So the first way you can connect your mechanical keyboard to your PC, laptop, computer, whatever it is the USB-C port that is already given in the box. So let's together connect our keyboard. And if you see the design of the keyboard, you can see the connectivity port is in this side of the keyboard, right in the middle. So let's connect this keyboard to my laptop right here. So now this mechanical keyboard is finally connected to my laptop, and now we're going to test it. Let me type something. So I type down, hello, this is everybody. This is your reliable TechSathi, and as you can see, it is really comfortable. I'm like typing, and I think one of the most important things when it comes to mechanical keyboard is the sound of it, and the way the sound, the way these stabilizers are there, I think it's perfect right now. So as I mentioned, the second way of connectivity is through this hidden item right here. This is the connectivity port. It supports up to 2.4 bandwidth, and now we're going to connect it to our PC. Again, it says keyboard setup assistant. So this is the second way of connectivity. In terms of connectivity, this mechanical keyboard is screaming convenience because this mechanical keyboard has a Bluetooth setting, and I can also connect it to my phone. So we're gonna turn onto my phone and make sure the Bluetooth setting in the keyboard is on as well. And so when you turn on the Bluetooth, it shows here. So we're gonna connect it. Now I can do hassle-free typing anytime, anywhere, even in my phone. So let's do some typing. The technology. There we go. Easy typing anytime, anywhere with whatever device you have. So this is a mechanical keyboard, and it lights up your world. And you're obviously curious about how could you ever charge this. So obviously, as in the box, there is the USB-C, and you can charge it And I have been using this for around a while now, and it lasted me 3 to 5 days on a full charge. So I think a very strong battery, which is very appreciative of MCHOSE. I'm sure you must be a software developer, a web designer, a UI UX designer, a marketing agent, whatever. For you, typing experience must be A1. So before I had the mechanical keyboard, I used to just type this way, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie, there was a lot of arm discomfort, and in terms of the way I sit, and the posture for all of us is a very important thing. The way you sit, the way you put your hand, your arm placement, your finger placement is very important for your overall well-being of your body. So when I just used to type here, I honestly cannot help but feel a bit of discomfort. But after I started using the mechanical keyboard, which has honestly changed my life. So that was it, the review of the X75 mechanical keyboard by MCHOSE. The way this keyboard has changed my life, a better typer, a better coder, a better communicator. It has helped me in so many ways in terms of the lighting. Oh my God. You know, user experience is very important in terms of anything. And this mechanical keyboard with the lighting settings and the connectivity ports, I think it has helped me so much, and it has immensely helped me. So I think if you were to ask me, should I buy this? I would definitely say go for it, because everything from this volume button to this connectivity port to the amazing keys, to the colors of the amazing keys, to the lightings, to this option button right here, to the back, to the keyboard stand, I think this keyboard is 100% worth it. I'm sure you noticed these lonely switches here. I am so attached to this keyboard, I will make sure nothing happens to this keyboard. So do you think I will take out this key? No. But if this video gets 1,000 likes, then I might change my mind. So make sure to hit like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, TechSathi.